Hi guys, it's workshop day.
Hi vlog! Kain na naman!
Hello po! Hi vlog!
Kakain na po kami! Welcome to the video! Boy and vlog na!
Ayun, kain muna kami. May headset.
Boy, I see Robin. Robin yung chinito dyan. Tapos, ang isa pa nilang antagonist na cousin supposedly ni JJ pero rival ni Andres at ni Robin ay si Andre Iliana. The rest of them are the rest, kasi sabi ko kanina sections E-boys, and the rest of the boys are part of the section E-boys. So ang subplot sila range from family problems, range from family problems to love problems. At sa mga love problems ay kaya naman andito yung mga girls
Quiz.
na iba because sila yung mga love problem ng ano. Si Axel naman siya yung kuya. Sorry. Hindi naman siya section E-boys. So ano ko lang siya kasi kahit pa paano part siya ng life nung ni JJ and Ashton.
Hi guys, kakatapos lang ng first workshop namin.
Yes!
Tapos si anong karakter mo, pre?
Eman and
Ano po? Tapos syempre guys, si JJ.
Let's go, JJ!
My name is Jasper.
Vlogger na ako ngayon, pre.
Yes.
Hi Direk, sana makita mo to. Ito po si Heart.
Hi Direk! Welcome to my
Phone ni
vlog!
Direk to, pre.
Shout out po!
Init. Alam nyo guys, sobrang saya ng workshop namin yan. Dami namin natutunan. Pero nakakatakot si Miss. Oo, magaling siya pero nakakatakot siya.
Hindi man!
Pero dami ko natutunan sa kanya, pre. Sobrang dami ko natutunan sa kanya.
Ang galing nung ano niya, nung
Kaso pre, napagalitan tayo. Hindi kasi natin, pre. Ano ba yan?
ikaw, lead ka! Ikaw, lead ka!
Uy, huwag nyo na parinig yun. Sige na nga, babay na guys.
Hi guys! We're here at Dance Studio. We're gonna do a acting workshop today with, of course, our Yuri, Robin. Say hi. What do you say?
Hi.
Excited ka?
Hi.
Reset. And this is our JJ. It's our second day acting workshop.
Hello po.
Hello, this is CN. What's your name? Eman, yes. And of course, my love interest, Mika.
Wow, love interest!
1, 2, 3, go!
Ayan guys, sumasayaw sila. Magti-tiktok kayo mamaya. Are you gonna do TikTok later?
Ayaw ni Heart kasi gawin ko. Puta pa! Ayan,
Frost. Game. Fighting rehearsal.
Hey, you have to block also.
Okay, after. Di masakit katawan mo?
Yung leg ko. Medyo. Ikaw.
I'm good. Medyo.
Joke lang. Hindi masakit. Tapos biglang.
So we're gonna do acting workshop today with Miss Anna, and of course Derek is here, but he's too shy to be in the vlog. And we're so excited. Ayan, ang kukulit nilang lahat. Naka-shades kami. Feeling cool.
Teacher Anna's here.
Hi guys, today we're here just kidding. Hi guys, today we're here sa third workshop day with Direct Ted, and this is Ma'am Iris.
Hello.
What would you like to say to the people?
Hi to Direct Ted's fans.
You have fans, right? What do you want to say to your fans? Yes. Actually guys, ginagamit ko lang si Andres para si Iris ay magsalita. What, you have bashers?
Chismosa po.
Uy! Siya po.
Smosa 1, Smosa 2.
Si Direct talaga yun.
Right?
Smosa 3.
Smosa 3.
Panoorin niyo guys.
Paano kumain ng gulay?
Charles! Yay!
Eh, naka-leather pa. Oh!
Ganun ba yun? Okay. Anong mangyayari today? Yun na lang. Anong mangyayari today na hindi ko pwedeng kunan?
Yung pong workshop namin, third workshop po namin ngayon. With Miss Ana. And last na po. 4 na lang po kami ngayon dati, sobrang dami namin. So medyo nakakakaba na.
Ganyan, ganyan. Game 1, 2, dito ang dalawa. 2, 3. Baki naman.
Okay, jump shot.
2.
Thank you.
Hi guys, look test ngayon ng Mutya and I'm on my way to meet them. And I'm showing you the behind the scenes of our look test ng Mutya ng section E. Hi Ate Julie, mag-hi ka.
Hi!
Morning, Darek!
Hello po.
Morning!
Morning, Darek! Ay! Morning, Darek!
Morning! Hello!
Fresh!
Fresh! Musta ka? How are you guys?
Okay, direct.
How are you? Hi,
Hi, vlog!
Good?
Yes, we're good. Preparing. Hi, Darek!
Hi! See you later! Okay, punta na ako sa studio. Dito, no? Sa studio. Hi, Iris. I'm so sorry. I'm late. I'm so sorry. Hindi ako marunong mag-vlog, obviously. Ayan. Ayan. So, oh, diba? Hindi ako marunong. Ay, nakapunta si Steven. Nakala ko may shoot ka. Okay, so ito yung setup. Makita ko. Ayan. Sorry ha. Phone lang gamit ko. Ayan. The other, Freya. And Egan and Martin with this new hair. Are you ready? Are you ready?
So ready and so excited.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa look test namin and here's Love. Say hi, Love. Say hi, Freya.
No, sa blush on ni Justin, guys. You have to look. You can see it all the way from over here.
Justin, say hi.
I love it.
Grabe naman si...
Matchy siya
Tama
sa
ka na,
jacket
Grace.
ko. I love it so much.
Ano yung mga mean girls natin sa Mutya?
Boog. Huwag niyo nang tingnan yung blush on. Kaya nga nakikita ko sila, sabi niya.
Actually, sobrang bagay niya. Maging Freya. But you know, deep inside, diba, you're like soft and everything. It's the opposite.
I feel so seen.
Yeah.
Hi, Direk. So, good morning.
What can you say, Blaster? Hi, Kyuso.
Kyuso? Hello.
Say hi. What can you say about today? Are you excited? Are you nervous?
Both.
Yeah, sobrang bait na, sobrang gwapo pa yun.
Si ano ba wala eh.
So yun lang. Naglo-look test lang. May kakarating lang nila. Kami, ako pala. Dumating ako ng 9 AM. So I'll just give this back to Direk kasi mag-start na kami.
Rafa, Mita, ang comment ko lang sa inyo, Rafa, I still feel awkwardness. So you have to work on that as a pair. Focus on your emotions. Focus on the love you feel towards her, your longing for her. Alright? Okay. Next tayo. Thank you. Position muna. Hanap mo na kayo sa camera para submit your markers. Para lang ano. Okay. Okay. Happy pa tong start. Secret rendezvous. Secret meetup. I'm going to meet up with my boyfriend from Section E who I missed.
Nandito po tayo sa behind the scenes. Ayun, nandito sila. Si Rory na. So, tingnan natin kung paano siya umarte. Tara.
Lagyan ng ganyan makeup. Korean. Lagyan mo. Thank you.
Congrats pala.
Ay, sige po. Manood pa kayo. Mag-look test kami with Aris. With Masungit Aris. Ella. And with JJ.
One, two, three, smile!
Martin po to. How do you feel po after na look test?
How do I feel? I feel grateful. I feel happy.
Okay.
I feel blessed.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, next. Hanap tayo. Wait lang guys, hanap tayo. Oh, ikaw. How do you feel daw?
I feel we're here right now sa BTS, no? Sa section E ng Mundial.
Okay.
And,
Ikaw pinaka-importante
I feel
tanongin.
pressured right now. I feel blessed.
Ikaw, how do you feel, bro?
Gusto ko nang matulog.
Gusto mo na?
Matulog.
Okay.
Sa mama ko. Ay,
Sa mamo. You, bro, how do you feel?
I feel very happy.
Yes, because
I got good friends.
Yes.
And good road. Good talaga.
Shout out mo yung mga friends mo, bro.
Shout out po kay Robin Angeles.
Yes.
Michael King.
Yes.
Kurt D.
Okay.
Pogi.
Ikaw, pre, how do you feel? Kay Directo, pre.
Nonchalant lang ako.
Okay. Ikaw, pre, how do you feel?
Happy.
Happy. Yes. Okay. Ikaw, how do you feel?
I feel good.
Yes. Ikaw. Good. Ikaw.
I feel neutral.
Yes, ikaw. Okay, tulog. Ikaw, how do you feel?
Tulog. Okay guys, Merry Christmas.
After na si JJ, wala muna. Mga the OG muna. Lapit pa. Layo. Waki! Waki pa! Waki! Pangit! Tawanan!